if you have an oscillator sprinkler that has a port that gets stopped up like you see here, there's a trick to getting this cleaned out. So I'm going to shut the water off, and not all sprinklers have this, but the better quality ones do. On the end of the arch here is a piece that unscrews. Once you unscrew that, then there's this little tip on the very end to clean out the port. So what you want to do is turn the water back on, and the reason you want to do that, hold your finger over the end and you can see which ones are stopped up. Take your little device here and poke it in the hole. That forces the trash to come out the end, so you got to have the water on so the trash comes out. Still got one stopped up. All right, looks like we're free. I'm going to turn it off. Screw this back on. You want to hold on to the bar when you're screwing it back in, otherwise you might strip the gear here. Now that we got it clean, let's turn it on and see what it looks like. And yeah, all clean. So easy way to clean it out using that. Again, not all brands of sprinklers have that, but the better quality ones do.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.